I sure have enjoyed being able to go across Michigan these last several days, coming back and seeing familiar places and familiar people, and appreciate your help and support. You know, I've had the chance to go across the country over these last several months. And, you know, there are a lot of people that are having tough times. A lot of people out of work. The median income in America has dropped by 10% in the last 4 years alone. And people always knew in America that the future was going to be brighter for their kids, even for themselves. But today they're questioning that. That the promise of America has always been that if you get education, you have the right kind of values, and you work hard, that you're going to be secure in your home and relatively prosperous and have the things you need. Well, that promise is now in question. That promise has been broken. Right? And so we're going to stop some of this excessive spending and finally cut federal programs so we can balance our budget. I'm also going to take programs and send a lot of them that we need back to the states, because I believe the states can do a better job running some programs than the federal government. And one more way I balance the budget, and that is I take what's left of federal employment, I cut it by 10% through attrition, and I link the pay of federal government workers with the pay that exists in the private sector. So my view is that people who are working for government shouldn't get paid a heck of a lot more than the people who are paying for them, the taxpayers. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go to work to get our economy going again with good jobs and rising income. That's what this is about.